To provide an astrological outlook for Bitcoin on Friday, November 21st, 2025, let's consider the planetary positions and their potential influence on financial markets. Sun in Sagittarius. The Sun will be in Sagittarius, which often brings optimism and a willingness to take risks. This could be positive for Bitcoin, as investors might feel more confident and adventurous. Moon in Gemini. The Moon in Gemini suggests a day of fluctuating emotions and quick changes in sentiment. This could lead to volatility in the Bitcoin market, with rapid shifts in price. Mercury in Scorpio. Mercury, the planet of communication, in Scorpio indicates deep analysis and strategic thinking. This might encourage investors to take a more cautious approach, potentially stabilizing Bitcoin's price. Venus in Libra. Venus in Libra fosters a desire for balance and harmony. This could lead to a more stable trading environment as investors seek equilibrium in their portfolios. Mars in Leo. Mars in Leo brings bold actions and confidence. This might encourage more aggressive trading, potentially pushing Bitcoin's price upward. Jupiter in Gemini. Jupiter in Gemini suggests expansion and growth in areas related to communication and technology. This could be beneficial for Bitcoin, as it is a digital currency. Saturn in Pisces. Saturn in Pisces might bring a sense of caution and responsibility, potentially leading to a more conservative approach to investing in Bitcoin. Uranus in Taurus. Uranus in Taurus can cause sudden changes in financial markets. This might lead to unexpected movements in Bitcoin's price. Neptune in Aries. Neptune in Aries could bring a sense of idealism and impulsiveness, which might influence some investors to take risks with Bitcoin. Pluto in Aquarius. Pluto in Aquarius suggests transformative changes in technology and society. This long-term influence could be positive for Bitcoin's future. Overall forecast. On November 21st, 2025, Bitcoin might experience a day of optimism and risk-taking due to the Sun in Sagittarius and Mars in Leo. However, the Moon in Gemini and Uranus in Taurus could lead to volatility and sudden price changes. Mercury in Scorpio and Saturn in Pisces might encourage a more cautious approach, potentially stabilizing the market. The presence of Jupiter in Gemini and Pluto in Aquarius suggests long-term growth potential for Bitcoin. In summary, expect a day of potential growth and optimism for Bitcoin, but be prepared for volatility and sudden shifts in price. A balanced approach to trading might be the best strategy on this day.